Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add Google Keyboard on Android. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to just simply open the phone settings on this Android device. So when it's open, you have to search and you will be also find for keyboard. So I will type for keyboard. So it will be below keyboard input method. So you will open it and you will see there is the available keyboard is Gboard, or you will see in the first you will see the current keyboard. So you will have to click to the this Gboard, and it will also I installed already Google Keyboard. So when it's not, you will have to download, and so here you can change the keyboard. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.